wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyBib Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 8 best tabletop cornhole games. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, this miniature set from Trademark Innovations comes with 8 beanbags, so it can be set up and played just like the full-size version of the game. Since they're not too heavy or too big for children's hands, little ones can get in on the fun too. The legs fold up for storage, however the surface is too slick, and it's a very plain design. At number 7, the boards on this set from Mainstreet Classics are equipped with carrying handles, making them easy to move around. Plus, since they're lightweight, children can set up the game themselves on rainy days if you aren't there to help. The surface isn't rough, and the boards stick together with Velcro, but the hole is incredibly small. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the football yard markers on the TMG Mini Tabletop present an added element to the game. Keep track of how far away every shot was, and at the end you can add them up to see who had the highest score, or keep a running tally over your entire vacation. It's a sturdy construction that fits easily in most backpacks. However, it includes only 6 bags. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Cornhole games, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, for a twist on the standard rules, the original Flippin Mini involves catapulting the bags rather than throwing them. Since there are different color schemes available, you can get one that matches your favorite team's uniform. It can also be used in the regular way and comes with game instructions and a drawstring pouch for storage. Halfway up our list at number 4, gosports coinshot comes with 16 coins, so up to 4 players can get in on the fun. Because the game involves bouncing at the target, not throwing, it's still fun at short distances. Children of different ages can compete, and there's less risk of breaking something with this one. It's made from hand-sanded plywood with multicolored chips. It fits easily in a travel bag. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can show off your team pride with this mini set from Victory Tailgate, which features a brightly colored design on the playing surface as well as on each individual bag. There are plenty of college squads available, so it'll match the decor in your man cave. It's a wooden construction that sports officially licensed logos. NBA versions are also offered. At number 2, Elite Sports combines 2 games in one with this set, which contains a tic-tac-toe variation. Just flip the board over and try to outsmart your opponent by getting 3 in a row. You can choose between basketball and football themed designs as well. It folds down flat for storage and comes with 5 bags of each color and a carrying sack. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Hasbro Coinhole can be played with the included coins or using the change in your pocket, meaning any number of players can participate. The bouncing technique involves a skill set normally found among college students, but even sober people can enjoy this one. It includes a case for easy transport and instructions for several games. The boards are stackable for an extra challenge too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tabletop Cornhole games, or simply click beneath this video.